Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Antoinette Evans, and on this channel, I help you guys find ways to maximize your wardrobe and simplify your life. Today's video is brought to you by Good American. I don't believe I just said that. Yes, you heard me right. Today's video is sponsored by Good American. When I tell you we manifest things into existence, we manifest, honey. But anyway, let's get into today's video, okay? Jumping into today's video, we are talking about all things denim. Now, you guys know how much I struggle with denim. As much as I want to be that type of girl, I'm not. I get so frustrated trying to find the right pair of jeans that I don't even bother look for jeans anymore. In all honesty, I go for dresses and I go for skirts. And lately, because you know I'm in South Florida now, dad shorts. Those are my top three. But I am determined to find the right fit when it comes to my denim. There are very few brands that I can actually wear. One, because of my height. Two, you know, I guess I'm considered plus size. I'm okay with that because I love this body that I'm in. And three, I want them to fit a certain way. I cannot stand having gapping at my waist, and I don't mind having a baggy look if it's intentional, but it has to fit right. These jeans came in such a good time for me. Let me tell you why. Good American jeans are known to fit for the curvy figure. They're known to enhance the waist, enhance the bum, and fit everywhere else with little to no gapping. So of course, when they reached out, I said yes. Like, hands down, yes. This is my third pair of Good American jeans, and I absolutely love them. Of course, the first two I purchased on my own. I have one pair of straight leg vintage, and I have another pair of the dad short. Love both of them, and I love how both of them fit in my waist. Now, these pair of jeans that I picked up from Good American, again, they fit like a charm. I prefer a particular wash of denim. The wash that I prefer is more of that lighter, classic blue tone. I tend not to go for the darker dyes because over time, they tend to have more wear and tear, and that wear and tear tends to show more in a darker wash denim. I prefer light wash. Give me that classic 90s, I've had this for 10 years, but you would never know because I really take care of it kind of denim. These jeans have a little bit more of a stretch to them, so they fit, they fit everywhere so well. I opted for a size 14. My other Good American jeans, which I will insert a photo somewhere here on the screen, my other Good American jeans are a size 15, but those are a vintage fit. Vintage fit have absolutely no stretch, like no stretch to it. So I opted for a 15. Again, it fits the waist well. There's no gapping in awkward locations. I love where it hits me. I love the cut. The inseam works. It's more of that cool girl kind of fit. They don't go, I'm 5'9". They don't go all the way down to the ground. They don't go all the way down to my ankle for me, again, because I'm tall. I could have ordered the tall in all honesty, but I didn't feel like waiting. I'm being honest, I didn't feel like waiting, so I just got the one that was in the store. But for the one that we have today, this one is the Good American straight pocket slit jean. Say that 5 times fast. As soon as I put it on, I was like, oh, this is not gonna fit. This is not gonna fit. And then, you know, started wiggling into it, started jumping into it, because that's what you have to do nowadays. And I was surprised. I was surprised. I was surprised. The 14 fit me so well. For me, I prefer my jeans to fit right around the waist area. I have a higher inseam, right? So my jeans don't go all the way to my belly button, but it does hit just about where my pants are as of right now from where you can see. This is where I prefer my pants and my denim to sit. The Good American jeans that I just got fit, it snatched my waist. Like, it completely enhanced my waist. And your girl has not been working out properly over the past 3 to 4 months. It's been very sporadic. Yes, I'm gonna get back in the swing of things, but it's too goddamn hot down here. All right, you think I would just melt the weight away, but nah. But either way, with me being a little bit more fluffy, the size 14 still fit great. Now, granted, if I was a bit more fit, I can do 12, but we're not gonna talk about that. We're not gonna talk about that. But anyway, these jeans fit beautifully. I love how they fit in the waist. I love how they enhance my butt. Okay? I already feel like I have a decent sized ass. These jeans make my butt look so good. And then I love the fact that these are a skinny leg, and they're not a skinny long leg. They stop exactly where they need to stop or hit around my ankle area. So that way in the fall winter time, I can incorporate boots. I can incorporate some really funky socks. I can incorporate heels or slides. I love the versatility that these jeans are going to give me. And on top of that, I did get a bonus item, which is the top. I love button-up shirts, but I have longer arms and broader shoulders. I don't know why I'm so obsessed with oversized items, but I'm obsessed with oversized items. I love the fact that this brand goes from a size 00 up to a size 22. Depending on the size range and your physique, there is something for everyone in almost every item that they have on their site. Tell me what brand does that. They are inclusive to every woman's physique. Absolutely love that. But for this button up, I love the non-traditional button up look that this gives me. Of course, I opted for oversized, so I went with size 7, which is more like a size 4 or 5X. I love the oversized feel, and when I wear it, I don't feel as though I have broad shoulders. I love the ease and the cool girl feel that that shirt gives me. And once you put on that button up and you pair it with those jeans, you have an outfit for days. It's a classic clean girl look, and it works effortlessly no matter what you're doing or where you're going. I love wearing jeans, but I have the hardest time finding the right fit that tailor my body. When I look for jeans, there are 3 elements I like to keep in mind: how they fit on my waist, how they make my butt look, what is the inseam. I got these good straight split pocket jeans, and I am obsessed with the fit. Not only are they soft to the touch, but they look amazing on my waistline. My butt looks so good. These are my 3rd pair of jeans from Good American, simply because they are the best fitting jean for me that hit all 3 of my requirements. For $50 off your first pair of denim, use my code GOOD50 at checkout.